Hello everyone, this is Rico from Canvas LED. Here is our aging test area for our TV series. Okay, we can see for our TV series, we integrated the power unit into the PCB board so that the whole thickness of the cabinet is very low. Okay, it's about only 25 millimeters. And also for the base part, we designed the movable function with wheels, so we can move the whole screen very easily from place to place. And we will see here the base part will be different from the first one. That is because this kind of the base part is with the lifting system. We can control the height of the LED screen by the remote controller. Yeah. Here are two buttons to adjust the height of the screen. You can see now the screen height is decreasing, right? We just need to keep pressing the button to adjust the height of the screen, okay? So that we can make sure the screen is with a best position for viewing. And also for this screen, we can just like this, we can make it that we realized the foldable function for two sides. This is the left side, and also here is also possible. With this function and the movable feature of the base part, we can make the package and delivery very easily. And here is our flat case for the big guy. We can just put the screen, the base part, just put it out here, and then just we need to only combine the two parts of the flat case. Then we can move the whole flat case from place to place, which is very convenient. Okay, and the whole of all of our TV series, we have integrated sound system. Here is a controller. We can adjust the volume value, and also because the operation system in the TV series is the Android system, so we can control the menu and with some applications into your TV, we can control it by our controller. Okay, thank you for your watching this video. This is Rico from Canvas LED. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. Thank you.